How to use Wattpad app, easy and fast fall guide. So all what you have to do, guys, is download the app and create your account. It's very easy to create one. Now this is the home page. After you log into your account, you will find this page. Now on this page you will find stories. As you can see, you can find anything right here. As you can see, fantasy, humor stories, editor speaks. And if you want to search for a story, you can search here down, click on the search and search here, and you can or you can browse the tags. As you can see, fantasy, romance, short story. And if you want to see your archived or your reading list, you will find them here. And if you want to write a new story, or if you are a writer, all you have to do is go here and click create new story, and you will be able to create your story from here. And if you want to edit your profile, just go to the top corner here and click on your profile, and then click here again and click account settings. Now here you can change anything on your profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.